God, tonight I'm sitting with the weight of distance, and it's heavier than I expected. I thought I'd be fine, strong, independent, ready for this new chapter. But no one prepared me for how much I'd miss the people who made me who I am. I miss my family, God. Not just on holidays or birthdays, but on random Tuesday afternoons. I miss the sound of their voices without the delay of a video call. I miss inside jokes that don't translate through text. I miss being known without having to explain myself. I miss home, not the building, but the people who made it mean something. Some days I wonder if I made the right choice by leaving, if this opportunity, this calling, this path was worth the cost of distance. And then I feel guilty for even thinking that, because I know I'm blessed. I know this is where you've placed me for now. But God, blessing doesn't erase longing, and purpose doesn't cancel out pain. So tonight, I'm asking you to do what I can't, be with them when I cannot. Protect them, comfort them, remind them they're loved even when I'm not there to show it. And as for me, help me not to waste this season wishing I were somewhere else. Teach me to be present here, to invest in the people and purpose you've set before me, to trust that separation is temporary, but the growth you're working in me is eternal. Let this distance refine my love, not weaken it. Let absence make my heart more grateful, not more bitter. And when the day finally comes that I see them again, whether it's next month or next year, let the reunion be sweeter because of the wait, and let us all be better for the journey we walked apart. Until then, hold us all in your hands, bridge the miles with your presence, and remind me that even when I feel far from everyone I love, I'm never far from you. Amen.